Welcome! If you want to get the most out of Discord and never miss out on helpful tips, enabling tip email notifications is the way to go. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of turning on tip emails using Discord's web app on your PC, all with the latest update. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Now that you're inside the user settings menu, look over to the left sidebar and find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the options you can customize for your Discord experience. Scroll down until you reach the section called Email Notifications. Here, you'll see several different types of emails you can receive from Discord, including communication, social, announcements, recommendations, and the one we're focusing on today, tips. Tip emails are designed to provide you with advice and tricks to help you get the most out of Discord's features and community. To enable tip emails, simply find the toggle switch next to Tip Emails and turn it on. Once you flip that switch, you're all set. Discord will now send you useful tips straight to your inbox, so you can stay up to date with the latest features and best practices. That's all it takes, just a few clicks and you're ready to receive helpful Discord tips by email. If you ever want to adjust your preferences, you can always return to this menu and toggle your email notifications on or off as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials to make the most of your Discord experience.